Hi, I'm Cam from the Qantas Contact Centre in Hobart. Each day we get a lot of questions that could be answered online. To save you some time, let me walk you through our Qantas.com how-to guide on redeeming your flight credit. A flight credit may be issued if your flight has been cancelled, or you've chosen to cancel your flight and the value of your booking can be retained for future use. The details of your credit will have been sent to the booking contact from the original booking in an email with the subject Qantas Flight Credit Confirmation. Click the Redeem Your Flight Credit button in the email to review your flight credit details online, or to search for and book new flights for the same passengers that were on the original booking. If you didn't receive a flight credit email or you can't find it in your inbox or junk folder, you can go straight to Qantas.com and choose the Use Flight Credit tab. Simply enter your original booking reference and last name to redeem the flight credit, or log into your frequent flyer account. Your flight credit can't be redeemed by entering the booking reference directly into the booking flow on Qantas.com. Click the Find Flights button and search for the new itinerary. Only fares you can book with your flight credit will be shown when redeeming it. Once you've selected the new flights and reviewed the fare conditions, you'll proceed to the payment page if the new fare is higher than the available credit value. Any applicable fare difference can be paid for with a credit or debit card or BPay. No card payment fees apply. Choose Confirm and you're on your way. Visit qantas.com/flight credit for a handy checklist about your flight credit, how to use it and the detailed conditions. If Qantas has cancelled your flight, for other options, including a refund, contact your local Qantas office. Thank you for your continued support, and of course, if you have any questions, we are here to help.